Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to join a Roblox group or even create your own just using your phone. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app on your phone and log into your account. Then, tap the magnifying glass in the top of the screen. Then here type the group name that you want to join or tap groups or search group from the filter option. Then tap on the group that you want to join to open its profile. Then just hit the join group button. If it's public, you're in instantly. But for manual approval, wait until the admin accepts you. Then, to create your Roblox group, just search the roblox.com to your mobile browser and switch it to desktop site mode. And here tap the menu and go to the groups, then create group. Here you can enter the information like your group name, description, and more. Then creating a group costs 100 Robux. Confirm the payment and you're done. Now you know how to join and make Roblox groups straight from your phone. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.